watch TV in my mom's room. Boy, it's dirty. I know what to do. There we go. Other side now. There we go. Whee! Ready. Mom, I have something to show you. Ugh, what does that child need now? What an amazing sight. I'm amazed. Thanks, Mom. It took a while. The next morning. Morning, Mom. Oh, morning, sweetheart. Wait, can I ask you a favor? Ah, sure. Bedroom needs a fixing. So? Oh, I want you to go fix it. What? You heard me. Go clean it. Fine. This is the reason I don't clean my room.